Oh, hi! I didn't see you there! I bet you all know how to speak English with a German accent. This is my German accent. Or as they say in Jamaica, my German accent! I bet you also know how to speak English with a French accent.
This is my made-up French accent. Oh,
But not many know how to speak English with a Swedish accent.
Hallo! Welcome to Fjord's Bakery. Would you like a hot piece of pea? It's on the hoose. What?
That is not even close to being correct. And that is why I now welcome you to Nackagubben's How to Speak SWENGLISH school. Let's begin. Step number 1. Exaggerate the language melody. Swedish is a language with a very noticeable language melody. It almost sounds like we are singing. So try to sing while you're speaking. Step number 2. If you truly want to sound like a Swede, pronounce all the words containing the letter I as I. Sweden. Step number 3. Pronounce the letter W as V. Or if you want to sound even more authentic, you could pronounce the letter V as W. Very well. I need to take my vitamins. Step number 4. Beer or beer? Is there a difference? Not to a Swede anyways. Step number 5. You should try to forget how to pronounce words like chair and cheap. From now on, they are pronounced cheap and share. Step number 6. In Swenglish, you don't bring something. You take with something. If you take the cheese, I'll take with the wine. There you go. That was Nackagubben's How to Speak Swenglish school. Now, go out there and speak like a Swede.